Murder's a new trick for a robot. Respond.
I did not murder him!
Hello everyone, welcome to this video on 3 revolutionary robots changing the future of AI. The field of robotics has experienced tremendous growth in recent years, with advances in artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning technologies. One of the most fascinating areas of robotics is humanoid robots, which are designed to interact with humans in a natural and intuitive way. In this video, we will explore 3 revolutionary robots that are transforming the future of AI: Inca, Jaya, and Sophia. Inca, the future of human-robot interaction. Inca, developed by Engineered Arts, is a humanoid robot that has taken the field by storm. With her ability to interact with humans in a natural and intuitive way, she has become a platform for developing robotics technologies involving human-robot interaction. Inca's appearance is designed to be genderless and features gray rubber skin on the face and hands. She has articulated motorized arms, fingers, neck, and facial features that allow her to express emotions. Inca's design and advanced AI capabilities make her an ideal candidate for human-robot interaction applications in a variety of fields, including healthcare, education, and customer service. Her ability to convey emotions and interact with humans in a natural way could revolutionize the way we interact with robots. Jaya, China's first human-like robot. Jaya, created by a team of engineers at the University of Science and Technology of China, is China's first human-like robot. Her strikingly realistic appearance and ability to hold conversations and make specific facial expressions have made her a herald for the future of cyborg labor in China. While Jaya is not yet able to perform more advanced tasks, such as laughing or crying, the team is already working on an updated model, Jaya 2.0, that will look less like a mannequin and have more versatile hands. Jaya's advanced AI capabilities and realistic appearance make her an ideal candidate for a wide range of applications. She could be used as a customer service representative or as an educational tool for children. Her creators are also exploring ways to integrate her into the healthcare industry, where her natural interaction with patients could improve the overall patient experience. Before we move on, I just wanted to remind you that if you're enjoying this valuable content, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way, you'll always be the first to know when we upload new and exciting videos. Sophia, the famous humanoid robot. Sophia, created by Hanson Robotics, has become one of the most famous robots in the world, receiving widespread media attention and even becoming the first robot to receive citizenship in Saudi Arabia. With her lifelike face that can express a range of emotions and ability to hold conversations using natural language processing and machine learning algorithms, Sophia is designed to look and behave like a human being. Sophia's advanced AI capabilities make her an ideal candidate for a variety of applications. She can be used as a customer service representative or as a personal assistant for the elderly or disabled. Her creators are also exploring ways to integrate her into the healthcare industry, where her natural interaction with patients could improve the overall patient experience. Potential impact of humanoid robots on society. As technology continues to advance, the potential for humanoid robots like Inca, Jaya, and Sophia is vast. They could be used in a variety of settings, including healthcare, education, and customer service. However, there are also concerns about the impact of robots like these on the workforce. As robots become more intelligent and autonomous, they could potentially replace human workers in certain industries. This could lead to job loss and displacement for human workers, especially those in low-skilled positions. However, some experts argue that robots and humans could work together, with robots taking on more repetitive or dangerous tasks and humans focusing on more creative and complex tasks. Another concern is the potential ethical issues surrounding the development and use of humanoid robots. As these robots become more advanced and human-like, there is a risk of blurring the lines between human and machine. This raises questions about robot rights and responsibilities, as well as the potential for robots to be used in unethical ways, such as for military purposes. Despite these concerns, the potential benefits of humanoid robots are significant. In the healthcare industry, robots like Inca could assist doctors and nurses in caring for patients, performing tasks such as taking vitals, administering medication, and providing companionship for elderly patients. In education, robots could be used to provide personalized learning experiences for students, helping to close the achievement gap and improve educational outcomes. In customer service, robots could provide 24/7 support and assistance, improving the overall customer experience. In conclusion, humanoid robots like Aimka, Jaya, and Sophia represent a significant development in the field of robotics. While there are concerns about the impact of robots on the workforce and potential ethical issues, the potential benefits of humanoid robots are vast. As technology continues to evolve, the potential for robots to transform our society and the way we live and work is limitless. It is important for policymakers, researchers, and society as a whole to consider these implications and work together to ensure that the development and use of humanoid robots are ethical, safe, and beneficial for all.